Ho here from .design W3DIY. I have launched my Kickstarter project open source. Now it is available for the backer to pledge the rewards. There are total 2 application modules that I give out as rewards, and there are 3 rewards. The 2 modules are inventory module and an invoice module. This complies 2 of the rewards modules separately, and I have another early bird rewards that combine of these 2 modules at a discounted price that will be end by this month 15th of June. So go and take a look and understand the module. At the bottom of the project, I have this frequently asked question, and I have a link to the respective module online model for you to do the testing, and you can take a look and what are the functions available in the module. Also, I have this link to the Business Suite Developer Toolkits. It's also the index page of the Business Suite for you to download. You can test it and upload to your server or localhost, just to make sure that your networks can accept this module. All of the module and including the free download will be comes in the source code files, PHP file. You can open, check, learn, modify, and you can upload, just to give yourself some confidence in the business suite. So go ahead and pledge the rewards and start your web developing journey. See you there.